everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I think I'm going to do one of those swooshes. And what I have here is an 8x8, and it's called a gesso board. I got this at Hobby Lobby the other day. And it's a hard board, so it should be good for any of the Celly art style paintings, because it can hold up your paints. So I'm gonna start out with a white background, and that's my Sherwin-Williams Color to Go, and that's in white. Okay, that looks good. And okay, I'm going to use some blues today. Feel into those blues. So I have my Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. I'm going to give that a stir. I absolutely love this color. Give that something there. Okay. And then I have my Matisse Australian Blue Gum. And this is a lighter color. Very beautiful. Beautiful color here. Look at that. The Australian Blue Gum. And then I have this little piggy. I have Mermaid. I'm just going to put some right across here. Little mermaid. And okay, we have those three so far. And I have a little Jo Sonia Lilac, which is a pretty color. Look at that, how creamy that lilac is. Very pretty. Jo Sonia Lilac. And then we have some Atelier Quinacridone Magenta. Put a little of that in there. Whoa. Okay. I think that's all for that. And now I have some sequins. This little piggy sequins. And I'm gonna stir this up. If I could find a stick here. Throw some of that all around. So that was this little piggy sequence. And you know what? I have a little comet here too. Let's add a little comet. I always love comet. Let's see how that works out. Also, okay. All right. That looks pretty cool. All right. So I'm going to use this this tool today. I'll put my okay, I'm going to put my cell activator on. And I think I'm going to use white today and copper. Okay, I'm just loading that onto my palette knife. And then I'm going to put some copper on that also. Little copper left here, and I'm going to swoosh this around through. That looks pretty swooshed to me. Take you down in, see that? Oh, can't get any closer than that. Sorry, I thought I could get a little. Let's see if I could bring that up so you can see. See those beautiful colors in there? All shining through. Okay. So I am going to put my pottery wheel on. Spin that out a little bit. That's 115, 25. That looks pretty. Could bring this over a little more. Yeah, let's just a little bit, not too much. Oh, I think that's gorgeous. I can actually just let this actually I don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. So, what do you think about that? Nay or yay? I kind of like it. Sides covered nicely. Got some pink in the cells over there. That was from the Joe Sonia. Got some pink swirling through. I think this is a winner. I'm gonna call this a winner, and I'm gonna call it a day. So, everyone, thank you for being here today. Thank you for coming. I love my pottery wheel. I love that it can spin out such great pieces for me. I love all the cells that I'm getting in here. Look at this, they're all coming up now too. When I take you in for that close-up later, you're going to be amazed at what you see in here. But all these cells are absolutely gorgeous. They're really beautiful. You can see with that iridescent, the colors that are shining through are amazing. They really are amazing. Yeah, this is beautiful. So this is Donna. Thank you for coming. Please subscribe. It's a pour day. I'll be playing definitely more with my pottery wheel and with these swipes. This was a great one. Maybe not so much a swoosh, but the way this came out, I'll be practicing. I'll be practicing a little more with that. And yeah, so Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off in about a second after I tell you, don't forget our Galaxy pour. May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. And that is May the 4th. You still have time to sign up. Please sign up below. We have some great artists that'll be pouring that day. Please give them a visit, and you'll be able to see a wonderful Galaxy pour on May 4th. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Bye-bye now. Please wait for the close-up. Have a great day.